adjust the diameter, making it 3 sizes.
A silicone case, which looks like an electronic
right cup, you'll forget that you're even on your period.
You purchase pads, tampons, or other disposable sanitary products every time you get your period and replace them every 3 to 4 hours. These products may cause dryness, itchiness, contact dermatitis, and even side effects from chemical absorbers. Do you want to risk this? Enjoy 365 days of travel, outdoor activities, and extreme sports. Stay away from the monthly nightmare of menstruation with the MORECUP. Even if you compare many available cups to find the right shape, length, and size for you, you will never know your true size until you use it. What if you could tailor the cup to you, just like you tailor clothes to your body? The MORECUP can be customized in 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. It is easy and simple with the cutter provided. With the MORECUP, you can feel comfortable. Don't let menstrual discomfort interfere with your daily life and hobbies anymore. The MORECUP is convenient and hygienic anytime, anywhere. It is easily portable with the provided pouch. The MORECUP is more hygienic than traditional products. However, since menstrual cups are inserted directly into your body, paying attention to hygiene and disinfection is very important. The MORECUP can be washed with water and the brush that we have provided. This keeps it clean and just like new. The MORECUP can be used for up to 12 hours. Since the MORECUP is semi-reusable, you don't have to feel guilty about harming the environment with plastic products anymore. Women use an average of 400 menstrual pads per year. They can be replaced with a single menstrual cup. When we heard that endocrine-disrupting chemicals were detected in many feminine hygiene products, we wondered why women had to invest so much money in products that might harm them. After many trials, menstrual cups were made available as an alternative. But it's not easy to find a product that fits your unique body. To combat this, we had the idea of making a customizable menstrual cup. So when designing the MORECUP, we considered the most comfortable fit and size, and the safety of the material, and we studied the characteristics and ergonomics of silicone for many years. The MORECUP was created to give all women in the world the chance to have a more comfortable menstruation. If you purchase 2 or more MORECUPs, you have the option to donate 1 to the International Development Cooperation NGO. Please join us in our journey for safe menstruation, because all women have a right to be comfortable.